Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to get the Spider-Man full 3D models into iClone 7 to perform any of the 3D animations. First, you can just scroll down, go to my video description here, download Spiderman Avatar and NPC 3D models from here. This is a Sketchfab search result. You click into this link, it will link you to Sketchfab like this. Right. This is a search result of the Spider-Mans. What you are going to do is just go and find some 3D models that allow you to download. Always remember this symbol. If you can see some symbol like this, that means you need to buy, you need to purchase something like money symbol. It is not free. So if you can see some download button here, it is free. So just right click on that button, open in a new tab. Oh, sorry, no internet. Again, right click the buttons, open in a new tab. Right click, open in a new tab. Now it will show you that you can download. If you have the FBX format, it is the best. You click download and then start download. This is under the download folder, compressed Spiderman rig, start download. Now you can see it is in my download folder, the Spiderman rig. It is a zip file. What you need to do is just right click it, extract all, and then click extract. Now you look at the source, this is the FBX file. So next, check in 3D Exchange 7. Drag in the Spiderman rig. Then click OK. And now, if you scroll down, convert to non-standard, you can see you have certain rigs. Wait, here you have to cancel first, and then you just show the human scale. It is quite small, so the general scale you change it to become 500, for example, to see how big is that. Right now, you want to make it bigger, it won't grow bigger, so you have no choice for this time. What you need to do is just turn it off first. In this case, you back to the previous folder, drag in the texture first, and then after that, export as OBJ first on the desktop, Spiderman without the rigs, and then you click OK. Now finally, you will get an OBJ file on your desktop. Alright, where is it? No, now it is here. It is an OBJ file. If you double click and open with the 3D viewer, it is an OBJ file. Next, what you are going to do is import it again, the OBJ file. The data will be discarded. Do you want to export? This time you no need to export. And for this time, you just show the human skeletons, the human scale. The scale you change it to become 30. No, you change it to become 200, 500. Or you can press R to drag it. Drag it until it is approximate the human's height. How tall is he? Next, click reset transform and then export it again as FBX file on the desktop. For this time, you choose the Maya format, Spiderman. Save. Okay. Now this is an FBX file, the latest ones. Next, you open the Mizamo. Open the Mizamo.com. You are going to rig it in Mizamo Mizamo Auto Rig. So here, just wait for a while until the Mizamo is loaded. Alright, once the Mizamo website already pop out, you click login by using your Gmail account. So you always have to sign in. If you have the Gmail account, the Google account, it is the best way to sign in to Mizamo. So here, continue with Google by using your Google account. Now, the Mizamo already loaded. What you need to do is click upload character. And then you have to drag the Spiderman FBX from your desktop to Mizamo. Drag into here and wait for a while. It is going to upload. Now, done the upload already. Click next. You drag the chin to here. Chin, wrist, elbow, knee. For this time, this is an auto rigger. Groin. That's all. Then you click next. Now it is an auto rigging process. It may take up to 2 minutes. You need to wait for a while until it finish. Now, it is already finished. Process the auto rig. You can see your Spider-Man already can move. You click next and next. Now wait for a while. You are going to download it from here. Click download, and here you select the T-Pose FBX download. Now you can see the Spiderman FBX is downloading. It is at here. Click show in folder. It already finished download. Show in folder now. Alright, you can see the Spiderman is here. Right click, rename it as T-Pose. Alright, now it is with T-Pose. Next, you can open your 3D Exchange 7. You start a new file. You don't want to save the previous one. Drag in the Spiderman's T-Pose. And then tick import animations, click OK. Alright, at this moment you are unable to import it, so you can just use the iClone. Sometimes it may have errors, so just use the iClone is better. Drag in the Spiderman T-Pose FBX. Drag in. And then you can see now it is a little bit gray. The strength, you just pull it to maximum. At this moment, click here, edit in 3D Exchange. This time should be OK. And click OK. Next, you just scroll down, click convert to non-standard. And here you choose the Maya Human IK. Tick active, click convert. Now it is already become a standard avatar, a non-standard avatar. You can apply it to iClone already. In your iClone 7, you can just start a new file. We don't want this. Next, in your 3D Exchange 7, you click apply to iClone. Now, this Spiderman is already in iClone 7. You can just go to here and save it as the new avatar first. You click plus, and now this is a new avatar. You can use it anytime. Where is the locations? You just need to right click it, find the file. It is in this folder. You can just copy it. Right click, view, large icons. It is here. Of course, you can name it properly as Spiderman. Alright, now once you download it, once you already rename it, here will automatically update the file name as well. So now we try to animate the Spiderman. Click here to animate it. Go to the motions. Click here, and I will just find some iClone motion. For example, the Mason's motion to perform something. So here 1, 2, 3. So now I already applied 3 motions. We just try to play and see. Is that okay? You can see now all my Spider-Man ready to animate in iClone 7. You can create any of the 3D animation in iClone 7. It is really amazing. Where at the beginning, you just download it from the Sketchfab to look for any of the errors. You make it, export it as OBJ file, and re-rig it in Mizamo. And then now it is already become an avatar in your iClone 7. You can perform any of the 3D animation here. Alright, that's all for today about how to get the Spider-Man's 3D avatar and any of the NPC through iClone 7.9 and perform any of the 3D animation in iClones. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my video tutorial, if you feel all these tutorials are very helpful to your 3D animation and game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all so that when next time I publish a new video tutorial, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy, happy animation and game developing. See you.